writing love letters for couples, placing romantic calls, dancing on TikTok. Really? Hi there and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at 10 unconventional ways that Nigerians are making money in the online space. And by unconventional, I mean businesses that won't readily come to your mind when you're thinking about all the ways that people are making money in the online space. So this video is going to be a bit different from videos you've come across on this channel, but it is going to be no less valuable. Perhaps at the end of watching this video, you're going to be picking one or two businesses that you can either start or that you can recommend to someone. So this is the festive period, and some of this will actually come in handy when you're thinking about something to start for the holiday seasons. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, hi there, you're welcome. This is Smart Skills of TV. Here we talk about how to make money online and also a lot on sales, marketing and advertising. Please hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you will become a part of our family and you won't miss out when we post similar videos just like this one. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back as always. So let's get straight into the video. So the first unconventional way that a lot of young Nigerians are making money in the online space is by writing love letter for couples. Are you surprised? Yes, people actually make money writing love letter for couples, and I actually got to discover this early this year while I was scrolling through a friend's WhatsApp status. And it was during the Valentine's period, and she was actually offering to write love letter for couples, and people were paying her for doing that. So one of the ways that you can actually thrive with this is if you have good visibility. So if you have good visibility and you're able to build authority around something like this, you can actually make a lot of money, because a lot of people want to actually pen those romantic messages to their spouses, but they don't know how to craft those words. So if you can stand out as someone who is able to do this, you can actually make a lot of money. Then the second way that people make money that is quite unconventional is similar to the first one, and it is placing romantic calls. So I know someone on Facebook who is my friend who has a solid brand that helps to place calls for people who either want to apologize to their spouses, or they just want to send a romantic greeting message to their spouses, or whatever it is. But she serves as the intermediary between couples, and she makes good money from it, and she's able to do it so well that she gets a lot of patronage. Then the third way that people make money online is by vlogging and comedy videos. Well, this is not exactly a new way of making money, but I just admire the way young people doing it these days, and it is quite rewarding. If you come here on YouTube and also on TikTok, you'd see a lot of vlogs and a lot of comedy videos getting a lot of views, and yes, these people are actually making money from it. So just by recording your daily activities and showing it to the world, you can actually make money from it. The fourth way that people are making money online is by watching videos online, and well, I don't know if this actually works, but every now and then you come across tutorials on YouTube where people are offering to teach you how to make money online by watching videos on Instagram or on TikTok or on social media. But I really don't know if those things work. You might want to try it out yourself. The fifth way that people are making money online, especially females, is by thrifting. So thrifting is just the way of, selling fairly used items. It could be clothes, it could be, fairly used phones, it could be anything from household items. If you go on places like Facebook Marketplace, you would see how people are actually selling thrift items there, and a lot of females also sell thrift clothes. That is okay or quicker. I also created a video tutorial recently to talk about how to make money through thrifting. So if you're interested in that, you can also drop a comment telling me you're interested, and I would send you the link to that video, or I'll also place it in the description of this video as well. Then the sixth way that people are making money in the online space is by dancing on TikTok. And yes, I mean it literally. If you go on TikTok, you would see a lot of content where people are dancing and they are getting a lot of views, and of course they are making money from it, right? So if you know how to dance well, you can actually start dancing on TikTok and making money from it, right? Then the seventh way that people are making money in the online space is by selling data. So I'm sure you've come across people who are selling data in the online space, and yes, they are making a lot of profits, especially for those of them who have a lot of audience. So no matter the little commissions that they earn on these platforms, they will still make profit because you and I cannot do without data. So you're watching this video, you're using data to watch it. Even if you downloaded it, you still use data to download it. So data is life in this online space. So people who are leveraging on, selling data in the online space can make a lot of money. So if you are also thinking about whether you should start data business or not, I think you should actually start as a side hustle. The eighth way that people are making money in the online space is through voiceover acting, and I know that this is true because I'm also a voiceover artist and I make cool money from it. So if you have a cool voice, you can also sell your voice, creating video content for people in the online space and make money from it. But if you have passion for it and you feel you don't have a very great voice, you can actually learn. There are courses that actually offers to train people on how to become good voiceover artists. Then the ninth way that people are making money in the online space is spoken word artistry. I know a lot of people who make money through this means, but it's just that it is not pronounced. Not a lot of people are doing it. So when I mention spoken word, it is not a lot of people that will raise up their hands and say they are doing spoken. Then the third way that people are making money in this online space that you probably don't know is cleaning of emails. Yes, people actually pay other people to clean their emails so that they can have more space on their devices, right? Though mostly people offer this as an additional service, especially virtual assistants. So in addition to offering other services, a virtual assistant can actually offer to clean up, their clients' emails and get paid extra money for it. So these are the 10 unconventional ways that a lot of Nigerians are making money in the online space that you probably don't know. So let me go over them again. Number 1, writing love letter for couples. Number 2, placing romantic calls. Number 3, vlogging and comedy videos. Number 4, watching videos online. Number 5, thrifting. Number 6, dancing on TikTok. Number 7, selling data. Number 8, voiceover acting. If you're looking for a voiceover artist, by the way, you can actually contact me. I voice very good videos. You can check out my Instagram page if you need proof of works that I've done in the past. Number 9, spoken word artistry. And number 10, clearing emails for people, which is actually like, a joint service that virtual assistant offers for their clients. One thing you should bear in mind is that while this may sound unserious, people are making money from these things. And one of the ways that is helping them to thrive is that they have built authority around these areas or these niches that not everybody is actually doing, right? So these are still essential services that people need, but not everybody is actually venturing into them. So all you have to do is to build authority around these niches and create visibility for yourself. So if you don't have a lot of online audience, you can actually start by running ads so that you can get increased visibility, and before you know it, you start getting patronage. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. If you gained value, please like this video, share it to your contacts, and also drop a comment if there is anything that you feel you want to share with me in the comment section. If you also feel you want us to communicate on WhatsApp, I'm going to be dropping the link to my WhatsApp so that you can join my community on WhatsApp so that we can continue the conversation there on WhatsApp. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in subsequent tutorials. Bye for now.